And we are recording. Okay, if y'all saw the last video, y'all know that. Well, we lost our house to the Wither, and we lost everything. But now I think I have a new Minecraft series where we will be doing, well, this video, I'm going to have somebody else join me. If not, then I'm just going to build something. And if he doesn't join in the next, like, couple seconds, by the time I'm done with the intro, then I'm just going to build whatever I want. And what this series is going to be is I go into creative on a flat world. People in the comments tell me what they want me to build next. I'll go into the flat world and try and build it as good as I can. So I'm just going to wait here for a few seconds. Okay, well, it doesn't look like he's joining, so we're gonna build, I'm just gonna build a mine shaft. Let's build like a mine. I'm not gonna use emeralds. I am professional Minecraft. Let's build kind of the first part of our little mine shaft here. Kind of the outer layer to it. Now don't expect no freaking god tier builds out of me. I am an okay builder, okay? I'm not like some god tier person who can build a freaking mansion in half a second. Cover this up right now. We're gonna build a little mine shaft here, if you didn't hear me the first time. And so here we go, here's our entrance to our little mine. Little detail on the outside here. There we go. There we go. Make it go down a little bit. Break this up a little bit. I need a torch. Where is the torches? Torches. Am I dumb? I think I passed them, yeah? Yes. Like, boom. This is the mine shaft. Come here to die. I'm just gonna try and block some of this up. And yes, some of my builds I will doing like /fill. Like, maybe I'll make like a B-Day thing maybe in the future if you recommend it. I can do like /fill sand, and I can just make an entire beach in like half a second. Uh-oh. Block that off. Never saw anything. Okay. Now we have our little cave here. So yeah, basically we're just gonna build a cave. Gotta have some dirt here on the wall, just for some extra detail. I want to do this a lot more. So if you could comment what you want me to build next, kind of vote on it, I guess. So like if one person says like, hey, build a castle, and the other person says build a dragon, like comment down below. Or like whichever one gets more likes or comments on what to do, then I'll do it. Coal comes in big little chunks. Oops, too big. There we go. Like a few pieces of redstone on the floor. Some lapis up here. Then we got a nice juicy piece of diamond. There we go. We have our little cave. Now, what I'm gonna do is to add like, to make it actually like look like a mine shaft type thing. Going to bam, bop. Where is the fences? Fences, fences. There's fences. What was that? Cow? I don't know if you heard that. I was like, I don't know, it was weird. Building. And we're gonna have it like, bop. And have like water all in here. Looks like it got flooded. There we go. It's like, do not enter. Can I go through here? Thank you. I have to type with my fingers. Warning. Do not enter. Here we go. And controller. Here we have our little mine shaft. This is going to be the first build. Maybe depending on the builds, I can do two things. Like say someone says build a car. I'll build like a car, and then whatever someone else says. So yeah, this was just an experiment on how the series is gonna go. We have a nice little... Get out of here. Get. And we have this little cool mine shaft with a bunch of ores in it. You can see the diamonds down there. See some of the gold. You can see that's all flooded and stuff. So yeah. That's gonna be it. It's kind of an experiment video. And yeah, like and subscribe. It's free, so do it if you're enjoying. And please comment down below what you want me to do next. Bye.